Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize configuring MFA for AWS console access, full guide step by step clearly. To enable multi-factor authentication for accessing the AWS management console, start by signing into your AWS account. Once logged in, navigate to the IAM console by typing IAM in the AWS management console search bar and selecting it from the results. In the IAM dashboard, click on Users in the left-hand menu. Select the user for whom you want to enable MFA. In the User Details, find the Security Credentials tab and click on it. Locate the Multi-Factor Authentication (MFA) section and click on Assign MFA Device. A new window will pop up. For this guide, we will select Virtual MFA Device and then click on Continue. Now, you need a compatible authentication app installed on your mobile device, such as Google Authenticator or Authy. Open your authentication app and scan the QR code displayed on your AWS console. If you are unable to scan the QR code, you can manually enter the provided key into your app. After scanning the code, your authentication app will generate a verification code. Enter the first code from your authentication app into the designated field in the AWS console. Next, switch back to your app and wait for the second code to generate. Once you have the second code, enter it into the corresponding field in the console. Click on Assign MFA to finalize the process. Your MFA configuration for the user is now complete. Ensure to communicate to the user that they will need the authentication app to log into their account. In addition, remind them to store backup codes safely, in case they lose access to their MFA device. To confirm that MFA is working, log out of the AWS Management Console. Now, attempt to log back in using the same user credentials. After entering the username and password, the console will prompt you for the MFA code. Open your authentication app to retrieve the current MFA code and enter it into the console. Once you successfully enter the code, you will gain access to the AWS Management Console. Congratulations, you have successfully configured MFA for AWS console access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.